Good day, guys. Today I wanna introduce my car because I live in my car, and my car is a Holden Commodore sportswagon. And the car type is wagon, so the car is so long, and I can sleep in the car, and yeah, that's why I wanna show you how can I live in my car. So let's go. Yeah, this is my car, and my car is in my garage. I just only rent garage for my car, and I think you can see some of stuffs. Anyway, I will show you in my car now. At first, I want to show you this. Can you see that? The window shade. When I sleep in my car, and when the raining, when I open the window a little, but because of I don't want to die, so I just opened the window a little, but the rain was so hard, and yeah, the water is put into my car, so yeah, my seat was wet, and yeah, my clothes was wet too, so I bought this window shade from eBay. Yeah, I think if you wanna sleep in the car, I think you should buy this, or yeah, buy for the option. Yeah, here is the passenger next to the driver's seat, and actually here is my clothes room, because this is my whole t-shirts or pants, or like when you go out you wear it, and this is my hoodie, and this is my hanger. And this bag is for when I go to fitness center. I just put in the stuff and just go to the fitness center. And yeah, this is my front sunshade, and when I sleep, and I just put in the front of window. I will show you later. And yeah, this is my towel and socks, and there is my underwear, and here is here is the Bluetooth speaker, and this is a emergency triangle. When I have an accident, I should give to signal for the cars. Yeah, so I should stand this, so I prepare this. Yeah, and the front storage. Right. Here is Solomon Beach, so I just prepare for my swimming goggle and swimming suits. Yeah. And here, this is my my tool, and this is just I don't have storage anymore, so just put in here. Yeah, here is my toolbox, and this is just license bag. Oops. Yeah, here is my driver's seat, and it's just normal, just steering wheel. But here's center face. Here has a 2 storage. This all of total 3 storage. This one and this one, and yeah, this one, the cup holder, and here too. Yeah, all of 4. So I will explain for you all of it. Yeah, and here has the mobile phone holder and mobile phone charger. Yeah, and this is the line holder, because I wanna arrange the arrange the line, and this is a good smell for me, yeah. And here is this is my garage key and my spare key and alcohol wipe, alcohol tissue, and this is my the car washing center, the token. Yeah, I will go later. Anyway, yeah, that's it. And here is some of just nothing special for any stuff. Yeah, here is just nothing, the pen or band, and yeah, here is for my washing and for cup. Yeah, actually I always go to fitness center every day, so yeah, I will bring this with this bag. And in the storage, yeah, my wallet, because the police request to me my license or my ID, so I should open it. So I should find so easy. And here is a little bit more charger. Yeah, here is yeah, my battery chargers, and this is my stand for, yeah, you know, the light charger. And inside the tool is my skateboard tool, the sky blue color. And other things is just nothing, yeah, just line. But here is line storage, I think. Yeah, that is my rule. Yeah. Yeah, here is my door storage, and here is just the notebook and mouse cleaner, and this is the raincoat. Yeah, the driver's seat is, that's it. And yeah, I think here is highlight today, because so many stuff, and yeah, this is my really area. Yeah, this is my tissues and fork and knife and spoon and dishes. Yeah, and some of my vitamin and shampoo, or any spare my glasses or sunblocks or medicine, like that. Yeah, and there is my eye blinder, and yeah, I will show you my sleeping area. Yeah, actually I bought this air mat, but I bought the sleeping bag as well, because for winter. And this sleeping bag is I can sleep, the temperature is 0 degree, so it can be useful in Sydney. Yeah, now is here is summer, so when I wake up it's so hot. That's why I just use this floor blanket. And this is my pillow, and yeah, this is my really blanket. And yeah, this is my freezer. Yeah, I bought at Aldi $249, I think. Yeah, you can open like this, and Yeah, this is my food storage. Yeah, energy drink, dried mango. Yeah, so many, so much food in here. And fortunately, my car has Sega cable has in here. Yeah, in here. I don't know you can see, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, in here I can connect to the plug, and this is my cap hanger. Yeah, this is my baseball league cap. And yeah, this is my yeah, cap hanger. And anyway, this bag is my medicine bag. Yeah, for all of it. And yeah, the Downy, yeah, the spray Downy. And yeah, this is some of pans or for useful stuff. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, that bag is my laundry bag, because I usually do laundry 2 weeks once 2 weeks. So I bring to coin laundry spinner. So yeah, it's just $20. Yeah, so I just put in my laundry and go to laundry shop and just give to her and just pay it, and that's it. Yeah, here is just my wet tissue and just some of plastic bag. And this is my sunshade. This is so good. Yeah, so perfect stuff for me. Yeah, because when I wanna sleep, it can be used like this for the curtain. Yeah, for the curtain. And yeah, here is my shoes storage. All my shoes are in there. And their storage is for power bank. I had 4 power bank. Another thing is charging now. And yeah, that is my the triangle stand for the camera. And this is my trash bag, and the fishing stuff in here, and fishing rod. Yeah, it's here. And my earphone. And I bought this for the summer. This is a little fan, and my bottle. And yeah, this is a portable chair, when you go to camping, and you can use it there. And this empty area actually for the camera. I like photography, so when I sleep in the car front of beach, I always bring it and I took a picture. Yeah, someday I will broadcast front of the beach. Yeah, some of beach. Yeah, it's finished for introduce my car. And how was it? How's your feeling? Yeah, if you have I mean, interest or against, just reply for me. Yeah, I wanna share information with you. And yeah, for me, I'm so happy with my wagon life. Yeah, that's why I still live in my car. And yeah, actually, the rent fee or the share house, the cost is so expensive, like 150 or $170 per week. So I can save the money, and I can eat more delicious foods, or any just put in my car for um, special unleaded petrol. Yeah, that's why for me, I think this life is the best for me now. Yeah. So if you have a question, or yeah, if you have a question, or tell me something, just reply. And please press the good and subscribe, please. Thank you. And I want to tell you something. I actually I'm Korean, so if my grammar or my English is not perfect, I'm apologize to you. I'm sorry first. Thank you very much to watching, and see you. Bye bye.